Yeah, again, Pixel Pro 9 XL. Pixel 9 Pro XL kind of reminds me of the iPhone 15 series or the iPhone 14 series. Fairly decent candy bar phone. It's about the same size. All right, so I figured I'd do this video a little different. We figured we'd do it as we're walking down the beach. All right, so this is kind of like a quick review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Rocking Google's, I think, Midnight silicone case, and really get decent vibes about this phone as it being, I guess, an iPhone clone. You got an in-fingerprint reader, and it's actually pretty fast. Decent phone here, and you can really see that Google's really stepping up this year with their phone, making it fairly premium and premium case. Actually, price of the case is really decent too. It's only like $40, but phone itself I've had probably for about a little over a week, and I'm very impressed with the snappiness. Not going to really go into the specs of this because the Tensor 4 chip, I guess they're calling it fairly slow, but Android phone wise, we can really see that Google is really stepping up their game. What do I mean by that? I mean, they're really trying to produce a flagship device, and we can really see it. This is a phone that is priced at $1,100. Starts with 128 gigabytes of storage, right? And for that, you get a decent phone. This phone here has 256 gigabytes of storage, and I was able to get this at T-Mobile. Surprisingly, if you add a line or you trade in a comparable device, you can get this free on 24-month credits. So what do you guys think? Down below, leave a comment. What do you think about the Google Pixel XL? Excuse me, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. You guys think this is a decent phone? It's kind of crazy. It makes me think differently about Android phones, because this phone here, straight out, is definitely a flagship phone, and you can see it. All right, on that note, guys, this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.